on how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. So let's get started. So if you want to add highlights on Instagram without posting on your story, then what you can do is just simply open up your Instagram application. After opening up your Instagram application, just tap on your profile icon which is on the bottom right. After tapping on that, just tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right, then tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on settings and privacy, just scroll down until you come up to this section which is who can see your content. And inside who can see your content, you will find this option which is hide story and live. Just tap on it and then again tap on hide story and live from. Then select all of your friends. After selecting all of your friends, what you can do is just tap on done which is on the top right corner. And after doing this, what will happen is your story will be invisible to your followers. So now what you can do is just simply go ahead and add a story. So just come back to your Instagram's homepage, and now what you can do is just tap on your story which is on the top left corner. So just tap on it and then add a story. So for example, I'll just select this one and then tap on the white color arrow which is on the bottom right. After doing that, just tap on share and then tap on add to highlight. After tapping on add to highlight, now what you can do is just simply tap on new and then tap on add. So after adding, what you can do is just tap on done which is on the bottom, and after doing that, just tap on this profile which is on the bottom right corner of your screen, and here you can see guys, you have added highlight on your Instagram, and now your content is part of your highlights. So if you just click on your highlights, then you can find your story is private from every follower, so your follower cannot see your story. And in this way you can add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. So after completing this process, don't forget to turn those settings off. So what you can do is just simply tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right, and then tap on settings and privacy. Then scroll down and then tap on hide story and live, then tap on hide story and live from, and then make sure to turn this option off, and in future if you upload your story, that will not be hidden from your followers. So that's it guys, this is how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.